Cadena 30, la televisión más abierta que nunca.
El presidente de la Federación Internacional de Automovilismo, el francés Jean Todt, ya se encuentra en México y está en el Congreso del organismo. Expresó su alegría por el regreso de México a la Fórmula 1. El señor Ricardo Rafael Ibarra Monroy conversó con él.
Very important, very pleased to be in Mexico City for the Americans Congress, for the Sport Conference Week, for the World Motorsport Council on Friday to participate to one important road safety event. As president of the FIA and as a UN envoy for the Secretary General for Road Safety, it's one of the priorities. Road accident is one of the worst pandemics of the society, with 1.3 million people who die on the roads every year, with 50 million people who are injured. Every day, 500 kids die on the roads worldwide, and 3,500 people die on the roads. So we need to address, and our organization, our motoring organization, which is the biggest motorist organization in the world, is a new category of motorsport, which is very specific because it's electric energy and it's hosted in cities. And of course, with climate change, with the increase of pollution in the cities, it is very important to make a friendly energy, and electricity is part of it. So we have had, for the first year, a very tight championship, because we had at the last race in the center of London, in Battersea Park, we had 3 drivers who could pretend to be champion. It's 1 point between the first and the second. Yes, that is true. We have seen a lot of interest with new media, with younger categories of people, because you know, times are changing, and so interest is changing as well. You have a lot of development of website, web media, driver simulation, and music. So it's just fascinating to see the interest behind Formula E. I would say you have always had, over the years, participation of women. And sometimes we have had some very strong women. I mean, it is true to say that it is more a male category of sport. But saying that, we want to give more free access to motorsport to women. That's why we have a women motorsport commission, and we are encouraging the development of motorsport for women all over the world. I will say education is very important, you know, and that is why we need to have future young actual and future drivers educated and following the rules, not overspeeding, not using the phone while they are driving, not drinking when they are driving, putting the safety belt, putting the helmet, because we want to see the number of accidents of the road diminishing. And of course, suggest them to participate to motorsport, which is very good for education, because it will allow them to behave properly and to learn how to drive a competitive car, and then to be able to be a good driver when you are driving a normal car.
Suscríbete a nuestro canal de YouTube y sigue toda la información de tu deporte y de tu equipo favorito. Empieza ahora dándole clic a estos videos.